Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. Man, alhamdulillah and mashallah, it's looking really beautiful. I just hope I don't crash it on my very first throw. This is the first flight of Rambler RS White Edition. Okay. Okay, I just need to set the trims now. Going up.
Trim center.
Trim center. Nose coming down. Controls are getting back. Let's glide. The lights are looking beautiful, mashallah, and it's flying very locked. So aileron trim's almost good now. I just need to see how it behaves. I love those flashing lights, man. Those strobes are really nice. Flying nice and solid, mashallah. Very well. I'm happy. I can fly it in aerobatics style. Sweet climb rate, man. Given that the plane is basically running empty, there's no payload on it, no HD camera, no FPV system, no flight controller, so I am happy with the flight performance. It's flying sweet. Locked in, trims, almost nailed the trims. Now you all know the second step. I mean, the next step is to install the flight controller. But before that, I was thinking, why not install the HD camera and give it a flight and see what kind of footage we get flying manually. This baby is fast. It can be fast. But again, it's not designed for those fast and furious FPV flights, which I'm kind of thinking to do so. Flying low and fast at full throttle all the time. Gonna be fun. Alright, let's land and install a camera in it and see how it goes. Alright.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.